When we know the inner workings of a human-like robot, do we still engage with it in a human-like way, as with a social agent? Both transparency and anthropomorphism are important features and affect how humans interact with robots. But how do these two factors play out together? Does anthropomorphism boost or hamper the impact of transparency information? To approach this question, we designed a study where we use an anthropomorphic robot Pepper to probe the effects of robot transparency in human-robot interactions. We programmed the robot's behavior to be completely autonomous using a reactive behavior planner, which allows the robot to choose from different drives to achieve its goals. We manipulated the transparency of the robot's behavior. One group of participants was interacting with the Pepper while they could see information about the robot's perceptual and behavioral state on its chest display, and the second group did not have this information. We ran a pilot study to validate our study design. During an experiment, participants had time to interact with the robot alone in a room. The interaction was strictly nonverbal to control for possible unwanted anthropomorphism effects that could result from speech-based interaction. With a camera and other sensors, the robot is able to detect the human and engage in an interaction. The robot follows the human by turning and adjusting its distance and executes randomly selected gestures to keep the human engaged. After a certain time, the robot prioritizes alone time and wanders off. Participants also answer questions about perceived intelligence, anthropomorphism, and robot agency. The questionnaire could be filled out at any time during the experiment, resulting in participants being closely observed by the robot sometimes. Our preliminary results showed that our manipulation of transparency worked, and the behavior information on the robot's chest helped to better understand robots' intentions. Interestingly, we didn't find any clear relationship between transparency and the perceived level of anthropomorphism of the robot. Perhaps this is good news, and we can have the best of both worlds: a better understanding of robots' behavior and still perceive it as a fellow social agent.